Lesson 3 Work and Energy Evaluation Part 1. Children, in last class we learned the lesson Work and Energy. In today's class we are going to revise the one words evaluation part. In that we are going to see only one words. Before that, let us see a small recap of the lesson. First, work. What is work? When the force acting on the object makes it move, it is said to be done a work. When can we say that work is done or not? The two main conditions are needed for work to be done. First one, a force should act on the object. Object should move from one place to another. Then only we can say work is done. Next, energy. Energy is defined as capacity for doing work. Energy must be transferred to an object in order to do work. If the energy is not transferred, work will not be done. Okay, children? Children, do you remember what are the types of energy? Very good. Yes, you are right. Mechanical energy, thermal energy, renewable energy, non-renewable energy, electrical energy and chemical energy. These are the types of energy. Very good, children. Next, simple machines. Simple machines are tools which are used to make our work easier. Some examples of simple machines are pulley, bench, inclined plane, screw, lever, wheel and axle. And we learned about each one of them in detail with example, children. Okay, if you have any doubt, once again you go through the videos. And at last we learnt about the types of lever. Types of lever, class 1 lever, class 2 lever and class 3 lever. In these type of levers, three words are very important: load, effort and fulcrum. Load is the object on which the force is applied. Effort is the force we apply on the lever. Next, at last, fulcrum. Fulcrum is the point on which the lever rotates. Keep all these points in your mind. Now let us go for the evaluation part. First one, use the correct word to fill in the blanks. Now let us see the options. Ramp, simple machines, work, energy, pulley. Children, now let us see the questions. First one, dash is said to be done when a force acting on it. Can you judge the answer? Yes, very good. Work. Work is said to be done when a force is acting on it. Next one, the ability to do work is dash. The ability to do work is energy. Very good. The ability to do work is energy. Third one, dash is a machine made up of wheel and rope. Children, please think and say the answer. In which machine wheel and rope will be there? Very good. It is pulley. Pulley is a machine made up of wheel and rope. Fourth one, dash help us to make work easier. Can you judge which one will help us? Yes, simple machine. Simple machines help us to make work easier. Fifth one, an example of inclined plane is the last word. Which one is not used? Yes, a ramp. A ramp is the answer because that alone is not come in the remaining four fill-ups. An example for inclined plane is a ramp. Again, I am reading from the beginning. Work is said to be done when a force is acting on it. Second one, the ability to do work is energy. Third one, pulley is a machine made up of wheel and rope. Simple machines help us to make work easier. An example for inclined plane is ramp. Next, fill in the blanks. The dash is used to raise weights and to hold objects. Children, can I give the clue for you? It is one of the simple machines. Yes, it is screw. The screw is used to raise weights and to hold objects. The second one, the SI unit of energy is dash. Answer, joule. The SI unit of energy is joule. Third one, petrol is a dash energy resources. Can you judge the answer? Yes, it is non-renewable. Petrol comes under non-renewable energy resource because once we use the petrol, we can't get it back again very easily. It is very lengthy process. It takes millions of years to form the petrol. So, it is a non-renewable energy resources. Petrol is a non-renewable energy resources. Fourth one, dash is the force we apply on the lever. What it is? Yes, it is effort. Effort is the force we apply on the lever. Fifth one, dash is the object on which the force is applied. Children, when you are thinking about the object, what it is? It is load. Load is the object on which the force is applied. Children, I am reading from the beginning. The screw is used to raise the weights and to hold objects. The SI unit of energy is joule. Petrol is a non-renewable energy resources. Effort is the force we apply on the lever. Load is the object on which the force is applied. Match the following. Now let us see the left hand side. First one, class 2 lever. Second one, pulley. Third, class 1 lever. Fourth one, wheel and axle. Fifth one, renewable resources. See the right hand side. Drawing water, bicycle, nutcracker, wind, seesaw. Now let us find the answers. First one, class 2 lever. Then what will be the answer? Yes, very good. It is nutcracker. Class 2 lever. Nutcracker belongs to class 2 lever. So the answer first one. Class 2 lever, nutcracker. Second one, pulley. Pulley is used in to draw the water. Pulley, drawing water. Third one, class 1 lever. You may remember very well, I think. Class 1 lever, best example, seesaw. Class 1 lever, seesaw. Fourth one, wheel and axle. Wheel and axle, where can we see? We can see very easily in bicycle. Fifth one, renewable resources. Renewable resources. Wind. Wind, whenever we use wind again and again, we can get it. So, it is a renewable resources. Renewable resources, wind. So, again I am saying the answers. Class 2 lever, nutcracker, pulley, drawing water. Class 1 lever, seesaw, wheel and axle, bicycle. Renewable resources, wind. Find out odd one out. First one, sun, wind, water, energy. Among this, energy will not be in this group because remaining three are mentioned as a renewable resources. To mention these words alone, we are using energy. So, energy will not be in the group. Answer, energy. Second one, screw, pilers, wedge, pulley. Answer, players, because remaining three are simple machine. Pilers comes under the liver types. First order liver, so it will not be in the group. Third one, force, load, effort, fulcrum. Among this, force will not be in the group because remaining three words are used in the types of liver. Force alone mentioned as a effort. So, force will not be in the group. So, answer force. Fourth one, bus, car, lorry, cycle. Among this, cycle will not be in the group. Fifth one, wheel, grinder, knife, wheel and axle. Among this, knife will not be in the group. Okay children, again I am reading. Sun, wind, water, energy. Answer, energy. Screw, pilers, wedge, pulley. Answer, pilers. Force, load, effort, fulcrum. Answer, force. Bus, car, lorry, cycle. Answer, cycle. Fifth one, wheel, grinder, knife, axle, wheel. Answer, knife. Rearrange the letters and find out the names of the tools. Children, here three pictures are given. All these three are belongs to simple machine. Let us see one by one. First one, what it is? It is axe, isn't it? It comes under the wedge. It is a simple machine. It is a wedge. Okay, spelling WEDGE, wedge. Those who are having book, please take and write this. Okay. Next one, it is a cutting plier, isn't it? It comes under the lever. LEVER, lever. Next one, it is a screw, isn't it? So, SCREW, screw. That's all. Wedge, lever and screw. Classify the things below. Here the things names are given. We should classify them. They belongs to which class of lever? First one, spade. Spade belongs to class 1 lever. Next, seesaw. Seesaw also belongs to class 1 lever. Third one, wheel and barrow. Wheel and barrow belongs to class 2 lever. Fourth one, piler. Piler also belongs to class 1 lever. Fifth one, nail cutter. Nail cutter belongs to class 3 lever. Spade, class 1. Seesaw, again class 1 lever. Wheel and barrow, class 2. Piler, class 1. Nail cutter, class 3 lever. Okay children.